company owner of Magic Hair Company. This is our logo here. We are located in Culver City, California, USA. For those of you that aren't familiar with that, that is Los Angeles County, California. We are your premium glueless, full lace, and front lace wig maker. As you can see here, we do custom coloring right here. So all of our wigs start out in a 1B, and we can do a beautiful color like this on it, or like this wig here. This is actually going to be my wedding wig because I'm getting married next week. So actually stay tuned because I'm going to show you guys our full bridesmaids look for all of our wigs. But if you need a quality glueless wig, whether it's front lace or full lace, shop with us here at Magic Hair Company. This is our beautiful 18-inch curly, and this probably has some sort of color on it. And it's a brown ombre. We can really customize the color for you any way you want. This is a, it's like a angled cut here. It has a bang. This is 14 inches. This is our beautiful silky straight texture. So you see how this has an angle up here. This is unit number 504. And if
somebody said congratulations, that's exciting.
Thank you. So, but the store will be open, everybody, so don't worry, everything will run just as smoothly as it does as always. We are here. All of our wigs are only available at magichaircompany.com. Again, our wigs are only available at magichaircompany.com or here in our Culver City store. Let us know how we can assist you. Our current store hours are Monday through Saturday from 10:30 to 6 p.m. You can find all of our wigs on our website. Now this right here is a 26-inch jet black. This is unit number 519. And go over to our website, magichaircompany.com, and then you can put in the 3-digit.
Somebody said, are we scammers?
No, we are not the scammers. The scammers are companies that aren't at magichaircompany.com. If you go to our website, you see that we don't have that 3 for $50 wig sale. We actually don't have any wigs under $300. So we are the real Magic Hair Company located in the USA. That other company, what is it, Magic Wigs, Natural Wigs, all of those companies are the scammers. They are stealing people's money with $50 Facebook ads. We don't have any 3 wigs for $50 deal. Sorry guys, wrong company. But check out our website. We are the real Magic Hair Company who's been in business for 10+ years, selling high quality human hair only at magichaircompany.com. This is unit number 620, a deep body wig here. And if anybody has scammed you, click the link in your email receipt and report them to PayPal to get your money back. Because it's not us, we don't even take PayPal. So that's that other company, and we would never. I value all of my customers, and I work too hard for, you know, other companies, and these are overseas companies trying to portray to be black owned, but they're not. I am Janice, the real owner of Magic Hair Company. Again, this is the logo here. We are located in the USA, Culver City, California to be exact. That's LA County, and our wigs are only available at magichaircompany.com. Another thing, if you're shopping on a website that is not from .com, you're probably getting scammed. So this is unit number 285. This is one of our most popular units. This is one of our everyday short 10-inch, very, very natural. This is an easy to throw on unit. Take a look at this hairline here. This is the standard hairline on all of our units here. You see it's free parting, so you can part this anywhere, giving you a really natural look and feel. And that's what's great with shopping with us. We have high quality human hair here, and then we can color this for you. We do our own custom coloring here. So if there's a specific look that you're going for, we can definitely accommodate that here at magichaircompany.com. We always have a full lace blonde wig in stock. So this is our 18-inch full lace. So if that's what you're looking for, this is unit number 668, a 18-inch full lace blonde. And if you want this to be blue, purple, pink, green, we can accommodate that for you here as well. Again, our wigs are only available at magichaircompany.com. Magichaircompany.com is the only place that you can get wigs from Magic Hair Company. And we do take quad pay. This is an 18-inch Yaki straight, unit number 681. Go on over to our website, magichaircompany.com. Plug in 681 and you will get all of the details needed.
Somebody said they're coming to us next week. They look forward to visiting the shop.
We look forward to seeing you next week. We do prefer that you make an appointment. So please head over to magichaircompany.com. The appointment chat bubble will come up and just let us know when you want to come in. Anytime, Monday through Saturday, 10:30 to 6 p.m. and we'll gladly accommodate you. We just prefer that we have appointments right now so that way we have time to sanitize and clean the station in between each appointment, as well as give everybody the one-on-one undivided attention.
Can she call and make an appointment?
Absolutely. You can give us a call. Our phone number here is 310-558-0181. Once again, that is 310-558-0181. And that's on our website. It's on our social media, so if you missed it, you can call us at 310-558-0181 anytime between our business hours, Monday through Saturday, 10:30 to 6 p.m. and let us know you're on the way. Okay, so you need to maintain your wigs and extensions at home. Pick up our Keratin shampoo and conditioner. These are on our website and are available here in store. Again, we are located in Culver City, California. That is the USA. That's Los Angeles County. We have been here for 10 plus years. I am Janice, the owner. I know I'm not really too much on camera today because I've been ripping and running. Where did I get that from? Because I've been running around and getting a lot of stuff done. But you guys know who I am. Check out our social media. I am the one and only true owner.
So we put units on hold.
Yes, you can put down a deposit on a unit and we will hold it for you. This is unit number 647, a 14-inch custom color. So you see how we added this nice highlight in here, and you see the scalp. So this is a front lace wig, and you can part our front lace wigs up to where my finger is right here. You can free part this anywhere up here. And all of our wigs have micro wefts on the back, but you can barely even see these because they're built right onto the unit, giving a nice smooth finish. And even if your hair is blowing in the wind, it's still going to look really, really natural with the front lace wigs from Magic Hair Company. You don't see 1 or 2 inch gaps in space here. No, this is a micro thin weft built directly on this cap here for perfection. This is a 14 inch or 16 inch silky straight jet black. We will gladly cut any layers or bangs or do any styling needed for you on any of our units. That is included. It's not additional, so just let us know exactly what kind of style you want and we will accommodate you here. This is one of our custom purple units. This is unit number 472, and we added some purple ombre into this unit as well as some pearls. All right, guys, we have lots of units to show you. We have this one here. This is unit number 690. Check out this color and how beautiful it looks. And you can definitely run your fingers through. You see how big this comb is? You see there's nothing in this comb, and I can shake it, do what I want. And look, this is quality hair.
Can the units be colored at home?
If you want to, or we can color it for you, but it's human hair, you absolutely can color it. But if you want us to color it for you, we definitely can accommodate that as well. Oh, here's a cute.
How much is custom color starting at?
What is our custom color-ish range?
It's starting at 80 plus. So depending on what we're doing. So it really depends on what we're doing is going to determine the price. So if you had like a picture you wanted to send us, you can send us the picture and then we can quote you a better price.
So we eliminate the hassle of you doing your color at home, and we can do it for you here. So all of these units here started out one bleed, and our amazing, really renowned custom colorist did this color by hand here in store. So that's another reason why we want you to make an appointment, so that way you can have that one-on-one color consultation, try all different styles, and really just take your time.
Custom coloring takes about a week to 3 days, 3 days to a week.
It depends on how busy we are with other coloring. So again, don't wait for the last minute for your custom color request, because we may have quite a few requests ahead of you. And just like with all of our wigs online, we only have 1, 2, maybe 3 sometimes. So you definitely don't want to wait until the last minute, because we may only have 1, or we may not have time to color the unit for you. And we do have free domestic shipping right now, as well as free in-store contactless pickup. Just select contactless pickup online.
Somebody said it's the Valentine's Day sale available in store.
Yes, it is. It's 14% off in store now until Valentine's Day, but we are having a sale on our website as well. So whether you shop online or in store, Magic Hair Company will take care of you. And don't wait until the last minute to get your wig shipped for Valentine's Day. Actually, it's too late, right?
No, tomorrow. It's Friday. They got They have the rest of today and then the rest of tomorrow.
Okay,
it's Sunday.
So get your order in today, because we are closed on Sunday, and we need to have time to, package and get it together. So if you need a wig by Valentine's Day, if you're in LA County, we can do in-store pickup tomorrow or today. We're open 10:30 to 6 p.m. So you can order your wig online and then select in-store pickup and pick your wig up here tomorrow on Saturday if you need it by Valentine's Day. If you order online, we can ship out on Saturday. And
the full lace price started about on the length. So tell me the length you're looking for, and then I'll tell you the price.
And this wig here is on clearance. She's our old cap style. There's absolutely nothing wrong with it. It's a custom colored 20-inch body wig. We cut some nice layers in the side here. She's on clearance for $450. Again, nothing's wrong. It's just our older cap style. And yeah, this is a great clearance wig. Every once in a while we have clearance wigs that we only talk about in our live video. Whether you want to pick her up in store or shop with her online, she is on clearance for $450, and she is front lace. So this is over a 50% discount on this one. Again, nothing's wrong. We just barely have enough wig heads for the wigs we have in stock. If you want this wig, send us a DM and say, hey, I want the 20-inch body wig clearance with the custom color, and it's the only one we have. So that is the value in watching our live. She's beautiful. Okay, clearance $450. And our next wig here, unit number 530, a 14-inch red.
$950. The price starts at $950 for a full lace.
20-inch.
Yeah, full lace 20-inch.
Yep. So, and this is unit number 530 here, a 14-inch curly red. We all know red is a very popular color of the season. We have a lot of variations of red in the store. If you want something colored in a specific red color, just take a picture for us and we will gladly accommodate that. This is unit number 576. Again, we have free domestic shipping. We have in-store pickup available anytime during our business hours of 10:30 to 6 p.m. Monday through Saturday. Our wigs are only available at magichaircompany.com. Again, that's magichaircompany.com. We're located here in Culver City, California, USA. Our wigs ship directly from our store here in Culver City, California. Our shipping address is 8638 Washington Boulevard, Culver City, California. And we can definitely customize any wig for you today. We are Magic Hair Company, your Glueless, full lace, and front lace wig specialist. Check us out, magichaircompany.com, where we are changing lives one custom wig at a time. See you soon. Bye.